After spending the last few days in the 40s, especially over the weekend, we jumped all the way up to 70 degrees today in Rockford and near that across much of the state line. 1 degree away from tying today's temperature record, and we're going to keep it rolling on this roller coaster all throughout this new week. Along with that, some blustery conditions. May have been slightly challenging to drive in open areas today because of those southwest wind gusts still in some spots gusting over 30 miles per hour. The winds are calming down, which will definitely help both when it comes to driving conditions, just being outdoors, and that elevated fire risk that came today. Anytime we're very dry, warm, and windy, like we saw this afternoon, that does raise the fire risk. So any fire that gets started can get out of control in a hurry, even if you think you've got it well maintained. So just make sure you're being very careful anytime we have these conditions. The winds do continue to calm this evening. However, we could see a similar situation play out tomorrow afternoon. The humidity does get a little higher tomorrow, so that may help cut down on how dry the air is. So for the rest of this evening, again, we'll watch the winds calm, that warmth not going anywhere. It still feels like April across our backyard, 60s to 50s over the next couple hours. Tonight, we drop down to our usual daytime high temperature. That's for the low tonight in the mid-40s under mainly clear sky, and we're right back to it tomorrow. Another day in the low 70s, a little farther away from tomorrow's record, but still we're getting within sniffing distance of that record for tomorrow afternoon. That said, may not see as much sunshine. We have an increase in cloud cover ahead of a pretty active middle of the week. Temperatures by the end of the week will be a good 20 degrees colder than what we're seeing right now. And during that transition, rain showers, possibly a couple thunderstorms coming through, especially on Thursday. So as you look at future track, first chance would occur very late tomorrow night. You can see some spotty showers developing right near I-88. That's with a slow-moving cold front that'll work its way into our backyard. Wednesday stays dry, then that front fully moves through into tomorrow or into Wednesday night. So by Thursday, we see plenty of rain with that. Rainy start to the day, fairly rainy morning with just some shower activity. We get into the afternoon to evening. That's when we could get those scattered thunderstorms to develop. We'll have, as you can see, on and off rainfall really all throughout the day into Thursday night. By Friday, we are dry, but by that point, we are back down to March levels. So 50s with on and off rain all throughout Thursday. Friday again dry, but back to the 40s. We warm up briefly on Saturday, then stay in the 40s for St. Patrick's Day. In your most accurate 10-day forecast, the weather may settle down for a little while. Much cooler conditions in that long-range forecast and not seeing as big of temperature swings like we've had the past couple days.